Hey, buddy. You like your new seat? Say hello. Hello. No? You just have the hiccups? Say bouncy, 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 bouncy. We just got our seat today. We're not sure how we feel about it. Not so bad. Not so bad. Yeah. Say hi, people. Oh. Bless you. Bless you.